Hello, digital dreamers and creative souls. Welcome to AI Chatos, your gateway to the future of creativity. Today, we're embarking on an extraordinary journey to craft a digital alter ego, a talking avatar, with the magic of Canva AI.
So, let's ignite our creative sparks and transform imagination into reality.
So let's ignite our adventure begins in the vibrant world of Canva AI. Here, your ideas take flight, our creative sparks, and transform imagination into reality.
But first, ensure you're part of our innovative tribe by hitting the like button, subscribing, and ringing the notification bell. Ready? Let's dive in. Begin by navigating to the Canva dashboard, a user-friendly and visually appealing platform that serves as a gateway to a plethora of design possibilities. In this realm of creativity and endless potential, your first action is to click on the video section. After selecting a video, proceed to the Apps section. Now it's time to introduce a bit of magic into the process. In the search bar within the Apps section, type in HeyGen. This action is akin to casting a spell, unlocking a specific feature or tool within Canva that will play a pivotal role in your creative endeavor. Open a new tab in your browser and conduct a search for temp mail. This step might seem out of the ordinary, but it's a clever trick that will prove to be invaluable. Temporary mail services provide you with a disposable email address, which can be used for various online registrations without revealing your personal email. Once you've obtained a temporary email address, it's time to circle back to Canva. With this new email, proceed to sign up for an account or service within the platform. This step is akin to opening a door to a new world, a world where your creativity is not bound by conventional limits. This phase is where your digital alter ego comes to life, a character that represents you or your envisioned persona in the virtual realm. Canva, in its vast and versatile capacity, offers an entire galaxy of avatars to choose from. Whether you're looking for something whimsical, professional, or downright quirky, Canva's selection is sure to have something that catches your eye. However, if you're seeking a more personalized touch, Canva also allows you the option to upload your own image. This could be a photograph, a piece of digital art, or any visual representation that you feel embodies your persona. By uploading your own image, you infuse a part of yourself into the avatar, making the experience and the end product deeply personal and unique. For my journey, I'm selecting this charismatic figure here. This avatar, with its distinct features and demeanor, resonates with the persona I wish to project in my digital narrative. The next step involves selecting your avatar's view mode. This could be a full-body view, a bust, or a close-up of the face, depending on how you want your avatar to be presented and perceived. The background color is another critical element in this process. It's not just a backdrop. It's a canvas that sets the mood and tone for your avatar. Choose a color that resonates with your persona, something that complements or contrasts with your avatar in a way that enhances its presence. And then there's the script. The script. This is where your avatar's story, personality, and message come to life. For crafting my script, I've utilized ChatGPT, a tool that blends the art of language with a sprinkle of AI wizardry. This stage is crucial as it allows us to polish and perfect the video we've just created, ensuring that our final product is not just good but exceptional. Once your video has been processed in Canva, it's time to dive into the editing phase. This is where your creative flair truly comes into play. Editing is not just about making changes. It's an art form. It's about enhancing the narrative, improving the visual appeal, and ensuring that every element in your video is harmonious and impactful. For those who have access to Canva Pro, one of the standout features is the ability to effortlessly remove backgrounds from images or videos. However, if you're a free user of Canva, don't let this discourage you. I've got a secret tutorial that will change the game for you. This step in the process is about empowerment and creativity. It's about giving you the tools and knowledge to transform your video from a simple creation into a work of art. Whether you're a seasoned editor or a beginner, this phase of the journey is designed to be enjoyable, educational, and most importantly, creatively fulfilling. This step is where you get to infuse your avatar with your unique style and personality, transforming it from a generic figure into a distinct representation of your creative vision. The first aspect of dressing your avatar involves adding designs. Canva offers a wide array of design elements that you can incorporate into your avatar's appearance. This could include patterns, graphics, accessories, or even thematic elements that align with your avatar's personality or the story you're trying to tell. Effects are another powerful tool in your creative arsenal. Canva provides a range of effects that can dramatically alter the mood and feel of your avatar. This could include filters that change the color palette, shadows that add depth and drama, or light effects that can give your avatar a certain aura or energy. Remember, in this digital canvas, you are the artist. This is your domain to experiment, explore, and express yourself. As you dress your avatar, think about the story you want to tell, the emotions you want to evoke, and the impression you want to leave on your audience. Here's a little secret to use HeyGen for free, indefinitely. Just repeat the sign-up process with a new temp mail each time. It's our little hack to endless creativity. And there you have it, a talking avatar that's uniquely yours, crafted with the power of AI and a touch of your imagination. If this journey inspired you, show some love by liking and sharing this video. Your support fuels our passion to bring more such content to you. Remember, the only limit is your imagination. With Canva AI, the digital world is your oyster. Subscribe to AI Chateaus for more adventures in artificial intelligence. Until our paths cross again in the next tutorial, keep creating, keep dreaming, and most importantly, keep being the amazing innovator you are. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.